Hello, I am Marco, and this is my channel, English with Marco, the best channel that will teach you English with the most enjoyable and effective way. In fact, I hope so, because this video you're about to watch is my first video on the YouTube, so I hope for your support and sharing the video with your friends so we can reach the first 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We can do it right. And now I'll leave you with the video.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Milan. What's your name?
My name is Hannah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hannah, where are you from?
I am from Japan. What about you?
I am from France.
Where do you live?
I live in Paris. And you?
I live in Tokyo.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. You?
I am 24 years old. What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook Italian food.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy playing guitar and cycling.
Do you like to play video games?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a scientist. And you?
I want to be a pilot.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like reading newspapers?
Sometimes I read the news online.
Have you ever been to another country?
Yes, I have visited Italy and Spain. Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to the United States and Canada.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to relax at home or visit friends.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am a morning person.
What is your favorite holiday?
I love New Year's Day.
Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to run in the park.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
Do you like watching TV shows?
Yes, I like watching comedies.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango. What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy going to the beach.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family.
Do you like learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Do you like art?
Yes, I enjoy visiting art museums.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar and piano. What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is the rose.
Do you like to watch movies at home or in the cinema?
I enjoy going to the cinema.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I grow vegetables in my garden.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather. What about you?
I enjoy rainy days.
Do you like to go to concerts?
Yes, I enjoy going to concerts.
Do you like working in a team or alone?
I prefer working in a team.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream. What's yours?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I love swimming in the sea.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes, it helps me relax. I read every night.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes, I love trying new dishes.
Do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
I like cold drinks.
Do you enjoy going to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy theater performances.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I think surprises are fun.
Do you like to wake up early or sleep in?
I like to wake up early. How about you?
I prefer to sleep in.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I like traveling by plane.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
Do you like to wear casual or formal clothes?
I prefer formal clothes.
I like casual clothes.
Do you like fast food?
Sometimes I do.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping in the summer.
I love camping in the mountains.
What is your favorite day of the week?
I like Friday the most.
Do you like to ride bicycles?
Yes, I ride my bike every weekend.
Do you like to read poems?
Yes, I enjoy poetry.
Do you like to take pictures?
Yes, I love photography.
I also enjoy capturing moments with my camera.
Do you like to visit zoos?
Yes, I enjoy seeing the animals.
Do you like to go fishing?
Yes, I enjoy fishing with my family.
It was really nice talking to you, Hannah.
Yes, it was great chatting with you too, Moan.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely, I'd like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too, take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.